Python, finding an element in a list. What is a good way to find the index of an element in a list in Python? Note that the list may not be sorted. Is there a way to specify what comparison operator to use?
The best way is probably to use the list method. Index. For the objects in the list, you can do something like with any special processing you need. You can also use A for /in statement with enumerate R. Example of finding the index of an item that has value is greater than 100. Source.
From Dive into Python.
If you just want to find out if an element is contained in the list or not.
Here's another way using list comprehension. Some people might find it debatable. It is very approachable for simple tests, for example comparisons on object attributes, which I need a lot. Of course this assumes the existence, and, actually, uniqueness, of a suitable element in the list.